we had an arrangement, but he didn't want me on my back.
You did it. Okay, he's downstairs. I can get him.
Yeah,
He
sure.
said he was not feeling well, so I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. I have something for him anyway.
Oh, okay. I'll go get him. 1 second, sorry.
Can I stand on the step here?
Yeah, of course. I'll invite you in, but I don't know what the deal is.
Hello, Derek.
I'm going to go in the carpool, guys.
It's a beautiful thing. Are you ready for running?
Well, I am. I don't know about you.
Oh, no, well, now I am.
Well, listen, come over to the carport.
Okay, well, I gotta get my shorts on.
Well, are you definitely going to run?
Oh,
Listen,
what do you
you
think?
remember,
What do you think? Oh, yeah.
finally they arrived
Well,
after 3 months.
did you get yours?
Yeah, I got mine.
Beautiful, eh?
Fantastic. Yeah. Now I know exactly which direction I'm going.
Drop, crap.
Anyway, I'm going to go and stand in the carport while you get ready.
That'd be... I wonder why you don't think I'd be running in this.
Well, because Nikki said you weren't feeling well.
Oh, well, now I am.
Well, get yourself ready then. I'm waiting. Okay, Derek. Those aren't the best shoes for running. Those are better. So what do you think? Is that exactly the same Compass bicycle bell that you had before?
Mm-hmm.
It looks very similar, yeah. It's one thing I could say about you. You never seem to be peeved. You know what that means?
Wow,
Peeved.
what's that?
You know, have you ever heard of the expression pet peeves?
Yeah, pet peeves, like, if somebody just leaves a little bit of ice cream or juice.
What? That annoys you, eh?
Mm-hmm.
When they do that? Yeah, I have a few pet peeves.
You don't have enough, like, milk for your coffee.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Or you don't have quite enough sugar for something, like you're making a cake and they say 1.5 cups of sugar.
I don't usually have a, what you were saying, that pest or a
Peeves.
peeves, yeah.
You don't let peeves bother you.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah. A lot of people, they get really peeved off. I could say pissed off, but peeved off, I guess. It's more polite. Yeah. Some people don't like other people that don't pick up after their dogs. You know, that's pretty bad.
I'm surprised you didn't go to Easter Island.
Easter Island, yeah. Well, can't do everything you want. That's probably another pet peeve. Wanting to do stuff that you know you're not going to be able to do. Anyway. I'm not going to be running back up this hill. That's one of the reasons why I came up to give you the bell. So that I wouldn't have to run with it in my pocket. Because when we get back, I'm going to get on the bike and cycle home.
Are we going to Maddox Farm? No.
We'll head that way, yeah.
Like, could we grab a coffee?
Yeah, I bought some money. I brought some money with me. It's kind of ridiculous. I put one of those new $20 bills inside a baggie so it wouldn't get wet.
Oh,
But it doesn't matter.
no, it's new.
It's plastic anyway.
Plastic now. Yeah. My dad's saving up American money right now
Why?
because
He doesn't like the plastic money.
no, he does. He thinks Canadian money looks like Monopoly money.
Oh, it looks like toy money.
Yeah, and so him and me are looking at American bill and saying, beautiful.
Yeah, the good old greenback. Yeah, well, maybe you should start investing all your money in coins, solid silver dollars.
And he doesn't want to spend his American money either. He loves it too much.
He loves his American dollars.
I said, well, what about the dollar American money? And he said, no, I don't want to touch that one either. He has a $10 American money.
I've got a $5 bill. I took it with me to Chile, thinking that they might not accept.
Oh, beautiful day.
They might not accept my Visa card or something like that. So I thought it's probably a safe idea to have $100 in American, because American money is supposed to be good anywhere in the world. But when I got to one of those exchange places, the guy gave me back a $5 bill and said, this one's crumpled. He said, I only exchange bills if they're in perfect condition. Well, I thought, well, that's crazy. So instead of changing 100, I had to change 95.
Yeah, like if it's crumpled, he can still give it to the bank.
Head over that way.
Like, yeah, he can still give it to the bank, and then
Yeah.
the bank can still accept it.
And who's he to decide? This one's okay, this one's not okay.
Yeah,
It's just a judgment call.
yeah.
Anyway, that was kind of like a peeve. I was a bit annoyed about that. But you came up with a couple of good ones. What was the first one?
I think when Sabrina left a little bit of ice cream
Oh, yeah.
for her mom. Her mom didn't like that too much.
Yep. Or they leave so little that it's not even worth leaving.
Yeah.
Or somebody who puts the chocolate milk back in the fridge when it's empty.
Yeah.
Or with just a tiny bit. Anyway,
Or you might as well use hold the
Yeah.
chocolate milk if you're just gonna leave a little bit. You know?
it's just taking up a lot of space in the fridge. Let's cross over. We weren't going to go straight to the tea room. We've got to earn our break. Trail repairs.
What? No Uncle today.
No, not yet.
No, not today.
I guess the rainy conditions cheered you up. Hi.
Well, I like the cold. That's what energizes me. It's funny when Sabrina's over, she has a blanket over her.
Yeah.
I say, what about me? And then she goes, oh no, you like the cold.
Yeah. So where do you want to turn?
The pigs.
That's a bit far. Realistically, we should turn just about where we always turn.
5K?
Well, I don't know if I'm going to hear the messages from the lady.
Penelope?
Yeah, she's done very quiet.
She have a cold? I wonder if, what's his name? That was at the coffee place.
Ken?
Yeah, I wonder if he watched the movie I told him to watch.
He might have done.
The day the town dreaded sundown or something like that.
That doesn't sound right.
Well, it's about the Russians doing a nuclear attack. And Ken was talking about it, and so then it reminded me.
Yeah.
Trump and Putin pissing off the Koreas when they have nuclear weapons. That might just be.
Oh, I remember. Yeah.
Might be a theory.
There's the creeping tree.
And then in that movie, you see all the people throwing up because of all the radioactive stuff.
Yeah.
They're fine. Most people were alive. It's just the radioactive stuff. You'd have to be like some of the people were in very good shelters.
Yeah. So they would be protected.
Yeah.
I was saying, there's the creeping tree. It's in the middle at the moment.
I was watching a little bit of Wind in the Willows.
Is it a cartoon?
Yeah. Yep, and I had David Bowie doing the theme song to it.
Really?
Yeah. I never heard him sing that song before. It was pretty interesting. What's our tree doing in the middle
Of the trail. You remember that TV series Dragnet?
Yeah. I didn't like it too much.
What was the name of the lead actor?
I don't know.
I think his name was something Webb. Jack Webb. He was the guy. He never used to smile. He was always very serious. Well, you seem to be running quite well today.
Oh, I wonder why.
Must be the cold weather and the rain. 14k. I think that's from Johnson Street Bridge.
On your bike?
Yep.
What?
All the way from Johnson Street to here is 14k.
You did that?
No,
Oh.
I did 10. That's probably more then. No. It's probably right, 14k from Johnson Street. Because I started in Gordon Head and did 10k to your place. So we've got to look out for that tree where we normally turn.
So I got a job interview on Friday.
With Lowe's?
Nope, but with Big Wheel Burger.
Really?
And
You're going to be working in the kitchen?
yeah, it's probably a for sure thing. They phoned me like 1 hour after I put my application,
That's good.
my resume.
They must be keen to hire somebody.
Well, they saw my A&W in Montana's, right? So it's like, boom.
Yep, they know you're trained. What's it going to be?
They want somebody that they don't have to train.
Yeah. Is it going to be prep work?
No, just cooking. So I'll be online.
Okay. And where is this place?
They want somebody probably gonna. They want somebody to do the whole kitchen by himself
Really?
instead of having 3 people. 'Cause it'll save them labor.
Yeah, but you've got to say to them, if I'm doing the work of 3 people, I want to be paid for at least 2 people. Maybe 3.
At Montana's, you need 2 people because it's a busier restaurant. And that's on slow hours. On busy, you need 4 people. But on busy, big wheel places, you'll probably need 2. So I'll probably have somebody there.
Where is the nearest restaurant to you?
Saanich.
Okay.
That's the nearest Big Wheel Burger.
Never heard of them. Are they American?
I'm not too sure.
Are they locally owned?
But if it's on slow hours, then I'll just say go home.
Yeah, that's probably what they would do. They keep 2 people on, and if it's quiet, they send 1 person home.
But with people that are inexperienced, they'll probably keep 2 always. But with experienced workers, they don't mind saying, okay, you're cut.
Well, they know they're going to come back. With some of the casuals, if they say, oh, I don't need you today, they'll never come back. That'll be it. Bye-bye. See you later. Now, which was the tree that we turn at? Can you see it yet?
Oh, it's the pigs. No, I'm just kidding.
I think there was some other sign that we could see.
How fast are we running?
Pretty fast.
Can you slow it down?
I think this is the tree up here. Just a little bit further. We've got the same cadence. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh look, there's a signpost.
How do you look in the back?
So that would have been the 15. I heard that. I think it's because she's inside my hoodie. I can't hear her too well. I figured it would be better that we came out running this morning because they're talking about sun for the afternoon.
Oh, that dreaded sun.
That dreaded sun. At least it's not cold. Well, not too cold.
Yeah, those dogs are so paranoid. Oh my god, oh my god.
Well, they saw me from just as I turned off the road.
Yeah, they do that with me too. It's like, they don't even know me. It's like, they see me 10 times.
Yeah. They're trained as guard dogs.
Yeah.
That's what it is. They don't need to worry about leaving the door unlocked.
We got a shock collar for them because the spray one, it didn't work. The dogs kept barking because it was like, oh wow, vanilla.
What is it?
It's,
A spray?
yeah, it smelled like vanilla.
Huh.
And they said,
They liked it?
the dog groomer said, it's supposed to be citrus, not vanilla.
Oh.
So the dogs are like, I'll bark again. It's vanilla.
They probably thought it was ice cream time.
You know. So we got the shock collar, and then Neil forgot to decrease the
The
shock.
voltage.
Yeah, so he was on 100. So all of a sudden the dog went, yelp.
It's like being electrocuted.
Yeah. So Nikki said, okay, no more.
Hi.
Just let the dogs bark.
Well, obviously it's a problem if they've had to go to the trouble of buying a collar. What are you supposed to do when the dog barks? You press the button?
Yeah.
And that gives them a little shock. It's supposed to be a little shock.
Yeah.
Can you imagine putting it on a Pekingese
What's that?
or on a Chihuahua?
Oh yeah. Chihuahua would be dead.
Even on two,
Yeah.
probably kill a Chihuahua.
And then Neil tried it on my hand,
Yeah.
and I was like, ow! So I'm like, poor Ridge.
Yeah.
I wonder how he felt.
Well, it's got to go through their fur as well.
Yeah.
So it has to be quite strong.
Yeah, it was 100.
Yeah, we're going too fast.
Carlos,
What?
what are we going to do about that tree that's in the middle of the way?
We'll just shoo it over. Make it move.
Or, was it telepathically or something?
Yeah. Telekinesis.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's working.
Well, there's one runner coming towards us on that side of the tree.
I think he's just walking.
A walker. He's disappeared. He's vanished. He must have turned off. Am I going a bit too fast?
Yep.
There he is again. Weird things go on around that tree. People vanish.
I was watching The Walking Dead, and that show has really, it's gone downhill in my point of view, in a writer's point of view.
Really?
A writer wouldn't destroy his own show by doing what he wants to do, and not by what comic book ones to do.
But maybe they changed writers, they do that. Sometimes the first 3 episodes are written by one guy, and then when they think they're doing good, they get somebody cheaper to write an episode. It's a bit like hiring one cook to replace 3. They might be going out of business. That might be it.
Yeah, because they killed everyone's favorite characters. So it's like, not all of them, but the show has killed 2 of the main actors. So all the actors are crying and, you know.
Who did they kill off? The main characters?
Yeah. Well, most of them anyways.
That's not good.
You know.
Maybe they were asking for too much money.
In the comic books, they don't, I don't think they do that except for one person.
It's hard to tell.
And sometimes you can't follow the comic books because you have to do what the fans want. But the show is not doing what the fans want. So if the fans get angry, then they stop watching the show. Or they give it a bad rating.
Yeah, but there might be people watching that have no idea that it's based on a comic book.
But they'll still get liking it, and then all of a sudden their favorite character dies, and they're like, I'll give it a 5.0 out of 10.
Yeah, well, I've never seen the show, so I don't really know what you're talking about. I think this is the furthest we've run together without an uncle break. Other than a few seconds where we turn around. Well, we're almost finished. We got about, what, half a kilometre to go? How far is it around the track? Is it 300 meters?
The track and field?
Yeah.
400.
400. I guess that makes sense. The straightaways are 100 meters and the curves must be another 100 meters each.
Once I get a new job, I gotta get some new clouds.
Some new running shoes?
Well, same brand, but the advanced version. I think Ken, whatever his name, is at running.
No, Joseph.
Yeah.
He doesn't work there anymore. He used to, but he didn't like it there.
What?
He retired.
Not the running room, but the one that I like.
Front runners?
Yeah.
No, Ken doesn't work there.
Oh no, who's the other guy that you know though? That I went there for the Saucony.
The guy at Front Runners,
Yeah.
downtown at Yates.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He
the
told-
German guy,
I think so.
Earhart.
Yeah, he told me that that the advanced one
Yeah.
was better for me because he looked at the way I was walking.
Oh, he checked out your gait.
Yeah.
Well, that might have been Mike. Mike Saminsky. He works at the Front Runners. But so does the German guy, Earhart. Mike Szymanski used to be a hockey player.
Yep.
I think he used to play for a semi-professional league, like the AHL, the American Hockey League. Which is just like one down from the NHL. It's like comparing the Major League Baseball. You got the AFL. No. Major League Baseball. What are they? The National League and the... Yeah. But you've got the American League and the National League.
In baseball, before the AHL, like in baseball, baseball's called the minor league.
Okay. The minor league.
Some MLB players get sent back to the minor leagues.
Is that what they call the farm team?
Yeah.
Okay. I better stop the app. That's a nice looking bike. It's got no gears. It's a bit like mine, but it's a bit better bike altogether.